Hello everybody, if you want to know what is the magic remote on LG Smart TV, is that okay when you see a control with this red, I don't know what is the name, okay, but with this I can use like a mouse in my PC, okay, mouse in my PC. Now pay attention. Okay, just can you see now this is the remote control and this is the lobby. Now in this moment, can you see is like a mouse in my piece in my LG Smart TV, okay. How can I do that with this? This is a magic control, okay. You just see what is the best thing. If you want to know if your control is remote, maybe has a microphone, okay, mic. Can you see this is a mic in the here, and this is the button, okay. It's like a well. With this I can use like a mouse, okay, and with this can I get my magic remote. In your settings, can you see if your control has enable or disable your mouse, your remote control, okay, your magic control, okay. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, I know that is awful, but remember the most important thing is to, okay, that your control has mic and well, okay, and okay, and in your TV can you find the remote control, okay, accessibility, okay, maybe, and this, okay, remote control, okay, if you want enable or disable your magic control. Have a good day. Sorry for my bad English and see you later. If you want to know something more, can you write in the comments.